Hi honeys, it's Michelle. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Stitch Fix box. Yay! You know these are my favorite. I could not wait, so I just went ahead and threw one of their outfits on. So here's the pattern up close. This is a Fortune and Ivy dress in a 2X. It's the Cambia brushed knit dress, and it's $44. And it's super soft. I, quite frankly, am in love with this dress. This does not have pockets. I'm okay with it though. I have a dress that has this kind of cut and the pockets being right here. They make my hips look even bigger than they are, which I'm not really trying to do over here. You could wear a belt with this, or you could wear a cardigan. I think you could even wear a lacy cardigan or like a lacy vest or something. I think that'd be really pretty. These are 3/4 sleeves, and I just think this is a beautiful dress. I feel like depending on how you accessorize it, you could wear it any season and you could make it look good. Next, I'm going to be trying on this. It's the Camellia textured knit skirt by 41 Hawthorn, one of my favorite brands. And it's a 2X and it's $64. And then with it, I'll be trying on this top. This is the Ink, Love, and Peace brand. It's the Tarani button back knit top in a light gray. It's a 2X and it's $54. Okay, my thoughts. I really like the skirt. It's stretchy and you just pull it on, but it feels too big. And this is no one's fault but my own. I've just lost enough weight to where things are starting to change the way they fit, and I just feel like it's already too loose. So if I decide that I want to keep this, I'm going to have to switch it up for a smaller size. Let's see. Okay, it does not have a slit in the back or pockets. I don't think I would wear it with this top. I mean, I guess you could, but I would probably wear it with a blouse that's tucked in, maybe a belt, maybe not a belt, but I would probably tuck in a blouse. I feel like wearing a top like this over a skirt like this adds about 15 pounds right here. And if you were to take the same top and tuck something in, maybe like a burgundy color or a dark gray or a black or dark green or something, it would create a nice lean line and it would take weight off of your body. The top, it's really cozy. To me, it's just more of a casual top. Here's the back of it. It's a 3/4 sleeve. I like the detail on it. Let me get a little there. It's very soft. It's nice, kind of thick. The last outfit I'm trying on are these. These are the Liverpool brand Carolyn printed leggings in an 18 women's, and they're $78. This is the 41 Hawthorn Lilliani boat neck cotton ble, B-L-E, not blouse, I don't know. Blend? Probably cotton blend. It's navy in a 2X and it's $58. And this does have a yellow stripe around the bust area and then again down on the bottom. I have the third outfit on. Here's how it looks. Obviously this doesn't match either. It's funny because that skirt felt too loose. This feels a little too tight. So if I was a real big fan of them, I probably would keep them since I'm losing weight. But I'm really not a fan of the cost. They're $78 for the leggings. I know, I guess I understand there's a lot of people that do spend that much and that's great, but to me that's just way too much. Way too much for a pair of leggings. But I do have a pair of leopard print leggings already, so that might be part of my issue. And then this top, it's a 3/4 sleeve top. It's 3/4 sleeve sweater, which I like my sweaters long. I'm sorry. I just do. If it's a t-shirt and it's 3/4 sleeve, that's okay, sort of. But I really don't like 3/4 sleeved on sweaters. Like I want them to keep me warm and be nice and long. The subtotal, if I were to pick everything. Now see, I guess that's where I'm getting a little confused too. When I first started working with Lauren, I told her I don't tend to spend a lot of money on clothes, and everything she sent was under $50 for like 6 boxes or something. And then this box in the previous 2. So the first 5 boxes. And then this box in the previous 2. There's all this stuff in here that's, well, let's see, you got 44, 54, 58, 64, 78. I'm never going to spend that much. I'm just not. I'd rather go to Macy's and shop the sales and spend half that. And I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just being really honest here. If I'm going to spend that much money, I'm going to get a whole outfit out of it instead of one piece. That's the other thing that's really disappointing. None of this stuff goes together. If I went to the mall, it'd be a whole outfit that I would pick out. I wouldn't just pick out, okay, here's a shirt that I'm going to save for the summer, and then these pants, you know. You know what I mean? The total, if I were to buy the entire box, is $298 with a 25% discount applied, which would be $74.50. The total would go down to $223.50 minus the styling fee, which it would be $20. The order total would be $203.50. I get it. A lot of people do spend that much on their clothes. I'm just not one of them. Happy Fix Day, Michelle. How's it going? I see that for today's fix, you are looking for some leggings, skirts, and sweaters to wear to church. Well, you are in luck as I have found some great options for you today. So the first piece that caught my eye was the black and gray 41 Hawthorn knit skirt. I noticed you loved the style and fit from a couple of fixes ago. Will this meet your needs today? I like the skirt. And you know what? Maybe it's good to read this after I've tried on the clothes. I like the skirt, but don't like the price. I'm trying to stay under 50 for anything I buy. It's just a rule that I have. I feel like I just don't want to spend a lot on stuff anymore. You know, I'm like at that age where I'm kind of getting picky about cost of things. But I do really like the skirt. It was a little bit big on me. Yay, because I've been losing weight. So if it was a little bit less, I would have reordered it in a smaller size. But I just can't get past the price tag on it. In regards to your leggings request, I couldn't help but think the animal printed Liverpool leggings had your name written all over them. Thoughts? Lauren, I'm so sorry, but I already have a pair of animal legging pants that look just like it. But you're right, they have my name written all over them. I just already bought a pair and I'm sorry. That's not your fault, but lastly, I did include a fun pullover by 41 Hawthorn. What does your husband think of this striped pullover? Speaking of your husband, what is his name? His name is Brad. When does he sign up? I will ensure he gets assigned to me. So how did I do on your fix today? Have a great day. XX Lauren. Okay, Lauren, my husband, by the time you watch this video, he will have signed up. We had decided that he would do it now. By the time you see this, you probably have already styled his first box. And we're really excited to have him do this. He's in the market for some new clothes. So this will be exciting for him. And we'll be doing videos with him trying on clothes as well. I'll probably be narrating them. Anybody that saw the Old Navy video knows that he's not quite as outgoing as I am. But so you will see that. And with this shirt, didn't ask Brad what he thought. The cut of it right here is nice, but for me personally, I would want a long sleeved one. And the reason is, to me, this is the kind of top that I would wear with a pair of, white capri slacks and some white Keds or something, probably in the spring or summer when I'm out doing things. And I would, especially if I was spending the day on the water or something, that's what I see this as being. Because of that, I would want a long sleeved sweatshirt to keep me warm if I'm out on the water and it's windy. And I'm sorry about that because I do like the shirt. I really like the yellow stripes. I like the way it fits right here. It's very thinning, which I need. If you happen to have one in a long sleeve closer to spring, go ahead and send it to me. We plan on going to different places on the water a lot in the future, so I could really use some tops like this in the spring and summer that I could wear out in a boat. But Lauren, my favorite item was this. I love this. I can wear this to church. I can wear it out on dates with my husband. I can think of a bunch of different places I could wear this to, actually. So this is definitely my favorite item. My second favorite item is this top here. And then I do really like the skirt, but it's too big and too expensive. And the leggings, I like them. They feel a little bit tight, but that doesn't really matter though, because I already have a pair of leggings that look just like them. So overall, I would say that this was a really good box. So let me know, ladies, what do you think? What would you keep if you were me? What are your thoughts on what I tried on? I do want to let you know, with Stitch Fix, once a month, you get charged a $20 styling fee. Anything that you keep out of your box, the $20 gets credited towards it. They send you 5 items. You get free shipping and handling. The nice thing about Stitch Fix is that you can dress the whole family with them. They offer women's boxes and plus size women's boxes. Hi, people like me. Women that look like this. And then they offer men's boxes and children's boxes. And I found out my niece and nephew are getting the children's boxes and they love them. My sister-in-law said that they're just wonderful because she doesn't have to worry about trying to find clothes for them that are cute and trendy, and she's able to change the sizes as they're growing, and she's able to have them try them on at home and see how they fit without having to take them to the store. I guess she doesn't really like taking them into dressing rooms and dealing with all of that. And then I'm about to start getting, as you just heard, boxes for my husband, and he's going to model them for us so that you can see what you think. It might be something that you want to get for a man in your life, or for as a gift for somebody, if there's anybody that you know that's struggling a little bit with what clothes to buy for themselves. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll be back soon with more fashion. Bye.